How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out a very simple interior restoration part for your 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustang. These are the chrome strips that sit between the door armrest pad and the armrest assembly. When restoring a Fox Mustang, details matter, and one of those detail-oriented items are the chrome strips that are located between the door armrest pad and the door armrest assembly. These particular chrome strips from 5.0 Resto are constructed using similar materials as the ones that originally came on the car, and they are precisely molded to ensure a nice fit and finish into your Fox Mustang. Now, in the package will be 2 chrome strips that are not side specific, and they are designed to fit 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustangs equipped with power windows. Now, to complete this install, you will need a nice staple gun with factory spec staples. The staple you want to track down has an overall width of 1/2 inch and a shank length of 1/4 inch. As far as installing the chrome strips, it's pretty straightforward. You'll first open the door and remove the armrest plugs. Then you can loosen and remove the 2 3/8 bolts. Then remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the front and rear of the armrest assembly. Carefully roll the assembly down to expose the underside. It may also help if you bring the armrest assembly out of the door panel so that you can work on it a little bit easier. Loosen and remove the 4 Phillips head screws securing the armrest pad to the assembly. Take this time to clean the area. Set the armrest pad aside, and then use some needle nose pliers to remove the factory installed staples, followed by the chrome strips. Ensure that the small lip is facing up, and then align the chrome strip with the armrest assembly. First, you'll want to tack it into place with 1 staple, and then install a few more to ensure a solid hold. Align the rearward relief cuts, and install some staples. Position the armrest pad and retighten the 4 screws. Roll the assembly back into position on the door panel, and then reinstall the retaining hardware. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side, and then you're good to go. Now, if you guys have followed the YouTube channel for quite some time now, then you know I'm a huge fan of simple restoration parts. These chrome armrest strips from 5.0 Resto are just that, extremely simple, and they did a really good job at restoring the door panel in our 1990 GT. Now, for more product information and the current availability on these chrome strips, be sure and check out the product page. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.